In this video, we are to express x squared plus 1 over x plus 2 cubed in partial fraction. Now, when you look at the denominator, we have a repeated factor. So you should know how to partial fraction decomposition of a repeated factor. So when the repeated factor has a power 2, we are going to have two constants. When it has a power 3, we are going to have three constants. So this one has power 3. So we are going to introduce three constants. Let x squared plus 1 over x plus 2 cubed equivalent to the first constant p over x plus 2 plus q over x plus 2 squared plus r over x plus 2 all cubed. So this is how we write the partial fraction decomposition for a repeated factor with power 3. Let me then find the constant p, q, and r. Let's multiply through by the LCM. So when we do that, on the left hand side, we have x squared plus 1, which is equivalent to, here we get p times x plus 2 squared plus q times x plus 2 plus, here the x plus 2 cube will cancel out r. How do we find p, q, and r? First, looking at the expression carefully, we have x plus 2, x plus 2. So when we put x minus 2, this term will go to 0, this term will go to 0, so we can find r. Put x to be minus 2, which implies that minus 2 all squared plus 1 is equal to p minus 2 plus 2 squared plus q minus 2 plus 2 plus r. This term will go to 0, this term will go to 0. We have on the left hand side 4 minus 2 squared plus 1 is equal to r. So therefore our r 5. Now to find other constants, let's expand the right hand side and compare the coefficients. So we have x squared plus 1, expanding the right hand side is equivalent to p. When you expand this, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4, then plus q times x, we have qx, then we have 2qr. So this is equal to x squared plus 4px plus 4p plus qx plus 2q plus r. This is the same as p. Let's group the like terms. X squared, we have px, qx, so plus 4p plus qx, and then the constant term, we put them together, 4p plus 2q plus r. So comparing the coefficient, so let's begin with x squared. On the left hand side, the coefficient is 1. On the right hand side, the coefficient is p. So therefore p is equal to 1. So let's compare a term in x. On the left hand side, we don't have a term in x, so 4p plus q will be equal to 0. 4p plus q is equal to 0, but our p is 1, so we have 4 times 1 plus q is equal to 0. So to find q is minus 4. Sending it to the right hand side. So knowing the values of p is equal to 1, q is equal to minus 4, and r is 5. We then substitute them in the expression. So we are going to have x squared plus 1 over x plus 2 all cubed equivalent to, our p is 1, so 1 over x plus 2 plus q is minus 4, so minus 4 over x plus 2 all squared plus r is 5, so 5 over x plus 2 cubed. So to simplify further, 1 on x plus 2, this minus will affect the plus, so we have minus 4 over x plus 2 all squared plus 5 over x plus 2 cubed. Thank you very much for staying with me throughout this lesson. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can turn on your notification button so that anytime I post a video, you'll be alerted. Also, you can comment, you can like it, and also and share with your friends.